In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attribute block in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by drawing the geometric shapes that will become your block. These shapes can be anything from a door swing and a fixture outline to a simple symbol you use repeatedly. Keep them organized on the appropriate layers and make sure each shape is exactly the size and position you want, because the block will preserve that geometry. Once your graphics are ready, type block or just boost B into the command line and press enter. That opens the block definition dialog, where you create and name your reusable block. Typing the command is fast and keeps everything inside AutoCAD's standard workflow. Give the block a clear descriptive name that reflects its use, such as door with attribute or fixture symbol. Clear names are important for later searches and for team members who might insert the block in other drawings. Avoid spaces or special characters if your team has naming conventions. Next, click Pick Point to define the block's insertion point. This is the point AutoCAD will use when you place the block later, so choose it carefully. For a door symbol, the hinge is a good choice. For a fixture, pick the corner or center that makes placement intuitive. You can snap to endpoints or midpoints using object snaps to be precise, which helps alignment when you insert the block. After setting the insertion point, click Select Objects. Now select both the geometric objects you drew and the attribute definition you previously created and placed. The attribute definition is what stores editable text, like a door tag or part number. Make sure that attribute is positioned and formatted correctly before you include it in the selection. When selecting, confirm that all intended elements highlight so nothing is accidentally left out. Finally, click OK to complete the block definition. AutoCAD will create the block with the chosen insertion point, geometry, and attribute. After creation, test it by inserting the block into the drawing. If the attribute prompts for input, enter sample text to verify everything is working as expected. A couple of quick tips. Keep your attributes on a consistent layer and style so they inherit the correct properties. And use meaningful block names for easy library management. If something looks off, you can redefine the block later or edit the attribute properties without recreating everything. That's it. Your attribute block is ready to use and reuse across drawings.